The US wants Asia to use its AI, but China dominates cheaper models. August 1, 2026. The artificial intelligence race between the US and China is heating up in the world's largest continent, Asia. The United States is trying to prevent China from becoming Asia's dominant AI supplier by promoting a complete AI ecosystem from NVIDIA chips to advanced AI models. According to Gary Dvorchak of the Blue Shirt Group, while Chinese AI is generally cheaper, the US still offers a more comprehensive technology stack. However, recent events suggest Washington is finding it difficult to turn that advantage into market success. At the APEC Digital Weeks conference in Chengdu, China, the US maintained only a limited public presence despite previously highlighting AI cooperation. Anthropic's shifting release plans for its Fable AI model, caused by changing US export policies, also contrasted with Chinese companies rapidly launching similar AI capabilities at significantly lower prices. Although the Trump administration has promoted its American AI exports program as a way for overseas customers to purchase complete or partial US AI technology stacks, adoption appears slower than expected. Politico reported the program had received only 78 applications, though the U.S. Commerce Department insisted demand had exceeded expectations. At the APEC forum, Commerce official Bill Guidera urged Asia-Pacific nations to partner with the U.S., arguing that American AI offers superior security, reliability, and performance. The modest U.S. commercial presence reflected the same challenge. Google and Meta were the only major American firms exhibiting at the event, focusing on scientific AI and small business applications rather than frontier large language models. By contrast, Tencent showcased its Hunyuan LLM and highlighted expanding cloud partnerships in Thailand. As this year's APEC host, China used the conference to strengthen its AI diplomacy. President Xi Jinping announced plans to provide 5,000 AI training opportunities for developing countries and establish AI cooperation centers across Southeast Asia and other regions. Vice Premier Zhang Guoqing also promoted regional technology standards, and APEC's 21 member economies including the US, ultimately endorsed the development of open-source AI with strong security safeguards. Analysts say this outcome strengthens China's strategy of promoting open-source AI, particularly among emerging Asian economies where lower deployment costs and greater technological independence are attractive. Chinese open-source models such as Alibaba's Qwen have already become important building blocks for regional AI development. Even so, experts do not expect Asia to split into separate US and Chinese AI spheres. Instead, many organizations are combining technologies from both countries. Southeast Asia's linguistic diversity with more than 1,300 living languages requires customized AI solutions, encouraging governments and startups to mix NVIDIA hardware with Chinese open-source models to develop local language AI systems. Boti AI, for example, works with at least 5 governments and has built a Cantonese language model partly using Alibaba's Qwen while relying on NVIDIA chips for AI training. The company says governments are investing billions of dollars in localized AI, showing that practical performance and economic returns often matter more than geopolitical alignment. Economist Intelligence Unit analyst Yu Su believes complete technological decoupling is unlikely despite intense competition. She also noted that the relatively small U.S. presence in Chengdu may have reflected scheduling conflicts, as South Korea hosted a major AI summit the same week attended by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei, and NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang alongside South Korean President Lee Jae-myung. By CNBC, story by Evelyn Chang.